Welcome back, continuing the news. There are more concerns this evening from workers in the BPO sector after scores of workers at the Alorica call center tested positive for COVID-19. Anthony Lugg has their story.
Alorica has been at the center of attention since news that a worker from the company tested positive for COVID-19. At least 52 workers at the call center have tested positive for the virus. That figure is expected to increase as more tests are done in the next few days. This was Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton at a press conference on Thursday.
It is going to be and is very difficult to reach all those individuals, but even more so to contact trace all the persons that they have come in contact with. The possibility for spread are real, and it is something that we need to take very seriously.
There have been mixed reactions about operations at Alorica and how it dealt with COVID-19 concerns from workers. The most common view was this.
It was business as usual. It was business. Much people gather in a one place. It was business. No social distances on the production floor because it was business as usual. They could have done more. They wait until all of this happened.
A week ago, we visited the location. Here's what we observed on the compound. No physical distancing being observed as workers mingled under a shed during what appeared to be their break time. We were told it was a similar scene on the inside. On Wednesday, when we visited the location in Portmore St. Catherine, scores of workers waited for testing. At least 2 workers we spoke with remain fearful.
I have segregated myself from my family. I'm just about a week ago, right? It's a case where I am staying with my spouse, but I would feel bad to even know that if something like that happens to me, he's at risk.
We're living in fear right now because if I come for testing, if I come back positive, then I know that all of my community has it because we are united as one.
She says her community remains supportive despite the situation. However, others aren't so lucky.
Persons knowing that you work here at Alorica is like they want to just shun you. They're not really saying it, but their actions, you know.
Some Jamaicans have questioned why workers showed up for work even though some protocols weren't being adhered to.
So most people, I think, mainly come to work because them know say if them don't come to work, them don't get paid.
So, of the 787 workers employed to Alorica, majority are from St. Catherine. The parish is currently under lockdown and the workers remain on edge.
We came to work because we want the money, right? No one wants to sit at home, and it's not fair to even know that there were so many persons that had it. It's not fair to know that so many persons caught it from coming to work, but it's not fair as well for you to just blame other persons or scorn them. Don't scorn us.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.